question for you. If I could show you step by step how you could follow a 2-hour workday and earn $900 a day, which in South African rand is about 17,000 rand a day, would you be interested? I remember when I started, I was having my own beauty salon. I was working full-time. I didn't have time for my children when I got home at night because I was exhausted and I wasn't making enough money. So when I was looking for a way to earn an income online, I wasn't looking for more work. I was terrified of having to learn a lot of things that I didn't understand. But here's the thing, when you start learning, you can earn at the same time. You don't have to wait until you've learned everything for you to be able to start making an income online. You get surrounded by a community of over 38,000 that is there to support and guide you, 6- and 7-figure earners that mentors you and help you go from zero to earning $900 online. My friend, we've got 4 months left of this year. How do you want to start January? Do you want to start January broke, or do you want to start January with a daily paying income coming into your bank account? If you are ready to learn this exact blueprint, this plan that I followed that you can follow too, comment yes, and I would absolutely love to share this with you.